In this video, we will learn how to find a square root of a complex number. To that end, I will use two different methods. I will take an example and I will solve that example first using first method, and then I will solve the same example using second method. In this example, I am asked to find square root of 7 plus iota 6 times under root of 2. So let's solve this example using first method. Let x plus iota y equals to 7 plus iota 6 square root of 2 whole square root. Now we square both sides. We will get x plus iota y whole square equals to 7 plus iota 6 times under root of 2. Now we expand it. We will get x square plus 2 iota xy minus y square. Because iota square is equals to minus, so I will write here minus y square equals to 7 plus iota 6 times under root of 2. Now I separate real parts and imaginary parts. So my real part on the left hand side is x square minus y square, and my imaginary part is 2xy. Similarly, on the right hand side, my real part is 7 and my imaginary part is 6 times square root of 2. The real part on the left hand side must be equals to the real part on the right hand side. Therefore, I can say that x square minus y square is equals to 7. I mark this as my equation number 1. Similarly, the imaginary part on the left hand side must be equals to the imaginary part on the right hand side. So I can say that 2xy must be equals to 6 times square root of 2. I can simplify it further, so xy is equals to 3 times square root of 2, and I mark this as my equation number 2. From equation number 1, I can say that y is equals to 3 times square root of 2 over x. Now I put this value of y in equation number 1. I will get x square minus, now put the value of y, 3 times 2 over x whole square equals to 7. I simplify it, I will get x square minus 18 over x square equals to 7. I multiply left hand side and right hand side with x square so that I don't have any x square in the denominator. I will get x raised to power 4 minus 18 equals to 7x square, which is same as x square minus 7x square minus 18 equals to 0. To solve this equation, we say that u is equals to x square. Then my equation will become u square minus 7u minus 18 equals to 0, and I can find the answer using quadratic formula. So my formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a my b is minus 7, so it will become plus 7. Then b square is 49 minus 4, a is 1, c is 18 over 2, a is 1, and then it will become 7 plus minus 121 over 2, and then it will simplify to 7 plus minus 11 over 2. So that means that if I add 7 and 11, I will get 18 over 2. That means equals to 9. This is my one solution. And if I subtract 11 from 7, I will get minus 4 over 2, and that is equals to minus 2, and that is my second solution. But these are solution of u. So these are the solution of u. That means u is equals to 9 and u is equals to minus 2. I have to find solution of x. So my x square, because u was equals to x square, so my x square is equals to 9. That means my x is equals to plus minus 3. From this, I will get imaginary values because my x square is equals to minus 2. And in the complex number, x and y are real numbers. So I will not use this solution because this solution will give me imaginary values of x, which are not allowed, imaginary x. So I will ignore this solution. So my x is plus 3 and minus 3. If my x is minus 3 and plus 3, then my y will be, I will put minus 3 here, minus 3 and 3 will cancel. So my y will be in that case equals to minus square root of 2. And when my x is plus 3, then I will put plus 3 here, and 3 and 3 will cancel. So my y will be equals to plus square root of 2. Because in the start I have said that my square root was equals to x plus iota y. So that means my square root is equals to, first let's say plus 3. So 3 plus iota square root of 2. So this is my one answer of square root. The second answer is that I use minus 3. So my second answer is minus 3, and in that case my y will be minus square root of 2. So I will have minus iota square root of 2. So these are my two different square roots of this number, this complex number. So now let's clear the board, and then in the next video I will demonstrate the second method, which is I think much more shorter than this method. Stay tuned.